What do different values of hard drive's advanced power management feature, hdparm B, affect, except spin down? hdparm's B parameter is documented as get/set advanced power management feature, if the drive supports it. A low value means aggressive power management and a high value means better performance. Possible settings range from values 1 through 127, which permit spin down, and values 128 through 254, which do not permit spin down. The highest degree of power management is attained with a setting of 1, and the highest I/O performance with a setting of 254. A value of 255 tells hdparm to disable advanced power management altogether on the drive. Not all drives support disabling it, but most do. This only gives two possible intervals, but doesn't describe what other effect different values have. What's the difference between, let's say, 63 and 127, etc.? I couldn't find any more documentation about this. Is it described somewhere?
The source code to hdparm shows that it just passes the value onto the disk, except that it passes command 0 by 85 instead of 0 by 05 when value is 255. The hdspec turns up this tidbit. Subcommand code 05h allows the host to enable advanced power management. To enable advanced power management, the host writes the sector count register with the desired advanced power management level, and then executes a set features command with subcommand code 05h. The power management level is a scale from the lowest power consumption setting of 01h to the maximum performance level of Fe. Table 30 shows these values. Maximum performance Fe. Intermediate power management levels without standby 81 hours FDH. Minimum power consumption without standby 80 hours. Intermediate power management levels with standby 02H7 FH. Minimum power consumption with standby 01H. Reserved FFH. Reserved 00H. Device performance may increase with increasing power management levels. Device power consumption may increase with increasing power management levels. The power management levels may contain discrete bands. For example, a device may implement one power management method from 80 hours to a 0H and a higher performance, higher power consumption method from level A1H to Fe. Advanced power management levels 80 hours and higher do not permit the device to spin down to save power. Subcommand code 85 hours disables advanced power management. Subcommand 85 hours may not be implemented on all devices that implement set features subcommand 05h. In other words, unspecified, device-specific behavior.
With credit to www.thefreeminder.org. Values 1 to 127 permit spin down, 128 to 254 do not, and 255 disables advanced power management altogether, if the drive supports it. Values 1 to 240 are in 5-second steps. Values 241 to 251 are steps of 30 minutes. See the table below. There is more information on the site.
Please consider subscribing.